Hey there, in this Canva tutorial, I'll show you how to change the page orientation so you can switch it to any different size. To do this, we click on the Resize option in the upper left corner. Some features shown may require Canva Pro, but you can still try them out. In the Resize options, you'll find preset sizes. You can also customize the size. Choose the size. You can either resize the current project or create a copy of it in the new orientation. By using the Copy and Resize option, you essentially create a new project with the chosen orientation. You can then move elements around to fit the new layout. That's how you can change the page orientation in Canva. Hope this tutorial was helpful.